Hi my dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today senior inter physics half-yearly syllabus model paper chuddam. Okay, yes, let's begin. And next here physics and chemistry both papers I am uploading now. And here important here, not prepare same like the questions, but it will become 20%. Okay, it will be 20% will be, but same models you should prepare. Okay, then easily will get 60 out of 60. Okay, but less syllabus, right? That's why you should prepare all chapters. Okay, don't lose like chapters. Don't take risk. Okay, that's why you should prepare. Time is there, only 1 week. Okay, yes, let us begin. Yeah, session A. Do you know session A 10 marks, 10 question to the 20 marks. Session B 6 for the 24 marks. Here 8 mark questions, 3 will be, then you should write 2 questions, right? Yes, let's begin. Yeah, what is the dispersion? Which color gets relatively more deviated, right? What is hypermetropia? How can it be corrected? Two lasers of power minus 1.75 D and plus 2.25 D respectively are placed in contact. Calculate the focal length of the combination. What is the force on conductor of length L carrying a current I placed in a magnetic field of induction B? When does it become maximum? Yes, next. Distinguish between ammeter and voltmeter. State Ampere's law. Define magnetic inclination of angle or angle dip. Okay. What is the magnetic moment associated with a solenoid? The horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field at a certain place is 2.6 into 10 power minus 5 t and the angle of dip is 60 degrees. Then what is the magnetic field of the Earth is at the location? Two argon pipes of length 65 centimeters and 75 centimeters respectively are sounded simultaneously. How many beats per second will be produced between the fundamental frequencies of the two pipes? Velocity of sound equal to how much? Yes, 330 meters per second, right? Okay, is a very important questions. Can do that 20 marks. Okay, next is section B. But a neat labeled diagram explains the formation of image in a simple microscope. Okay, a light wave of frequency 4 into 10 power 14 hertz and a wavelength of 5 into 10 power minus 7 passes through a medium. Estimate the refractive index of the medium. Refractive index of the medium. Derive the expression for the intensity at a point where interference of light occurs. Arrive at the conditions of maximum and zero intensity. State and explain Coulomb's law in electricity. Derive the equation of the couple acting on an electric dipole in a uniform electric field. Next one, three capacitors of a capacitance 2 pf, 3 pf and 4 pf are connected in a parallel. What is the total capacitance of the combination? Determine the charge of each capacitor if the combination is connected to a 100 volt supply. Derive an expression for the magnetic induction at the center of a current carrying circular coil using Biot and Savart law. Derive the expression for the equivalent capacitance in series combination. Okay, now session C. Here three questions are there. You should write compulsory two questions, right? 2 16 marks. Explain the information of stationary waves in an air column enclosed in open pipe. Derive the equations for the frequencies of the harmonics produced. State Kirchhoff's law. For an electrical network, using these laws, deduce the condition for balance in a Wheatstone bridge. State the working principle of a potentiometer. Explain with the help of circuit diagram how the potentiometer is used to determine the internal resistance of the given primary cell. Okay, this is the session C completed here. Here session B, here session A. Okay, understood? This is senior inter physics. Now senior inter chemistry paper. Yes, senior inter chemistry paper. Yes. What is Curti defect? Okay. Why X-rays are needed to probe the crystal structure? Define osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure. Yeah, sorry. Define Kf and Kb. What is standard hydrogen electrode? Calculate the half-life of first order reaction whose rate constant is 200 per second. How chlorine reacts with the cold and dilute to NaOH and H2S. List out the uses of neon and argon. What is the tiling of mercury? How is removed? How it is removed? pH3 has lower boiling point than NH3. Why? Okay, here 10 questions, most simple. Okay, 10 to the 20 marks. Now section B. How many lattice points are there in one unit cell of FCC lattice and BCC lattice? Explain Frankel defect, unit cell, crystal lattice, coordination number. What is RLVP? Calculate the mass of non-volatile solid. It should be dissolved in 114 grams of octane to reduce its vapor pressure to 80%. Define mole fraction. Calculate the mole fraction of each component in 20% aqueous solution of sucrose. Next, 15. State and explain Cauchy's law. Yes, state and explain Cauchy's law. Cauchy's law. Discuss the effect catalyst and rate of reaction. What are interhalogen compounds? Explain the structure BRF5 and IF7. How are XeO3, xenon trioxide and xenon XeOF4, right? Prepared. Okay, that's session B. Now session C. Write the structure and working principle of a galvanic cell. Write the differences between order and molecularity. How Cl2 prepared the Decon's process and electrolytic method. How ammonia reacts with the following: CuSO4, ZnSO4, AgCl, Fe2O3, right? Ferric tetrachloride. Next, ferric tetraoxide, right? Yeah, 21st. State Faraday's first law electrolyte. Calculate the amount of copper deposited when 0.5 amperes of current is passed through CuSO4 for 2 hours. Derive the equation of half-life of first order reaction. Okay, here AB there. Okay, any 2 questions. Okay, here 3 there. Compulsory should write 2 questions in session C, right? Yeah, this is the chemistry paper. Okay, yeah, should prepare like these questions. Okay, and also extra here only 20% will be in your paper, but not 20% exactly. Okay, but same questions you can prepare and more questions you should prepare. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is a model paper. Okay, all the best. Bye.